Frustrated that Nvidia ShadowPlay Instant Replay is failing to capture your epic gaming moments? Let's fix that right now. First, let's make sure your Nvidia drivers are up to date. Open GeForce Experience and click on the Drivers tab if there's a new driver available. Download and install it. A fresh driver can often resolve compatibility issues causing Instant Replay to fail. Next, we need to check your ShadowPlay settings. Click the Settings cogwheel within GeForce Experience. Now navigate to the in-game overlay section. Make sure the overlay is toggled on if it's already on. Try toggling it off and then back on again. Click on Settings and then Instant Replay. Verify that Instant Replay is enabled. Adjust the recording length, quality, and resolution settings to match your system's capabilities. Lowering these settings might help if you are experiencing performance issues or crash. Certain applications can sometimes interfere with ShadowPlay. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially other recording software or overlays, as these might be conflicting with Nvidia's software. Type graphics settings into the Windows search bar and open the app. Make sure hardware isolated GPU scheduling is turned on. This feature can sometimes improve ShadowPlay's performance. Finally, ensure you're running your game in full screen mode. ShadowPlay can sometimes struggle with borderless windowed or windowed modes. Switch to full screen in your game's video settings. By following these steps, you should have your Nvidia ShadowPlay Instant Replay working flawlessly, capturing all those highlight-worthy plays without missing a beat. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.